Imagine if going to church cost you. Imagine if reading the Bible cost you. Imagine if simply being labelled a Christian cost you. In many countries, it does.
My brothers beat him. My husband also lost his job.
Your family, you guys are my brothers and sisters. If you guys don't do anything, who would do it? Your ways will change. Please do something.
We believe that every person has the right to choose and practice the religion they want, rather than of their family of birth, ethnicity, or people group. This year, at the United Nations, a resolution called the Defamation of Religion will be voted on. Its supporters claim that it protects religious freedom, but in fact it does the exact opposite. It allows governments the power to say which religious views can and can't be expressed in